Okay, so what you want to do is you want to go to your teams, and you see this. You got this line of things right here. You want to go to this, the box, click on the box, and you got the ABC. These are how many things you can change. Like, you can load your boats and stuff, but you have to save a boat on one of these. So you click this one, or any of them, you save your boat, and then at the top of the screen, it'll say saving boat. Then you get off of this, then you click it again, and press load, and then you got it.